Shake, shake, shake. You know how to shake your milky? Shake, shake, shake. Shake your milk. Shake, 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 shake. Where is Sylvester? Where is Sylvester? That is Sylvester. Ang galing. Oh, you shake. Shake your milky, shake your milk. Where's Sylvester? There, galing. Oh, you know how to shake your milk? Shake, shake, shake. Shake your milk. Shake, shake, shakey. Shake your milky. Hello, baby. You're sick. Shake, shake, shake. Now shake the milky. Uy, you're offering your milk? Would you like some milk? You like my milky because I don't want it. It's supposed to go to my stomach, but I keep pulling the bottle of my mouth. Uy, shake mo tao para mas yummy. Shake, shake, shake. This milky is yummy because Ian shook it. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Oh, you taste yummy? Taste the milk. Is it good enough? Is it yummy enough for you? No, you have to shake it some more. O, saan ka pupunta? Wawa naman, baby. Shake, shake, shake. Shake some milk. We will show you the girlfriend of Cian. Cian has some girlfriends, you know. Let's show them your girlfriend, baby. Meron siyang girlfriend. Here, oh. That's his girlfriend in the magazine. That's the baby girl. Where's the baby girl? Huh? Where's the baby girl?